This was from 1996, the Coca Cola brand alarm clock. This is a jumbo twin alarm clock. Measures 12 by 9 by 3.5. So the height is 12 inches. The width is around 9 to 9.5. And the width, or the depth, I should say, is 3.5. Please look closely to the box also. As you notice, it does have a little scuffing from age. And this is the Coca Cola brand itself. I don't know if you can see that correctly. But this is the jumbo twin alarm quartz clock. Very good. Let me turn it over for you. And you will see it's the jumbo twin alarm clock. There it is. Sorry, we will get you. As you notice, this was I just want to get a little closer for you. So just giving you this video to give you a better idea of what you will be buying.